Hi friends, and welcome back to BLNC-D Yoga morning sessions. All right, I know that you've been asking me for more morning sessions, and therefore I'm taking the liberty of recording as much as possible for you. I'm gonna try to keep posting the morning sessions 3 times a week for you. Remember, you can do the same session more than once. It's actually better for you and for your body to do it at least 2 to 3 times a week, actually, the same practice, the same session. This way it's going to be more embodied, more grounded into your body, and you will get more benefits from it. So try that out and see if it works for you. I'm also going to try and record a little bit longer practices for you that will be on the Patreon, the Balance Patreon membership. So if you're into that, if you're into at least 45 minutes up to 1 hour, maybe even 90 minutes, that is something that I definitely recommend. I will also start doing balanced yin yoga, and that is coming later in September. So yin yoga is a little bit more restorative. We take a longer time in each asana, in each pose, and we use props such as blocks, straps, and so on. So I recommend that as well, especially if you are a person who is living a very stressful life. I highly recommend of doing yin yoga practices in the evening, especially before you go to bed. All right, so let's get into our daily morning session, and we're gonna try and create some movement in our body. This is gonna be a little bit more on the faster pace, but it is the beginning of the week and we need to play with that energy that we have from the weekend. So let's get into it. Start by closing your eyes. And let's ground our bodies. I put one hand on our tummy and one hand under our heart. And I want you to just take a moment here. Ground your breath. Find that natural breathing pattern for you. And let's breathe together. Inhale and exhale out through your mouth. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. And just keep breathing through your nose. And take a moment to create an intention for yourself for this day, for this practice. From here, you can let go of your hands, just let them rest. Let your hands rest over your knees. Open palm position. And slowly open your eyes, and let's go into child's position. So child's pose is always awesome way to start your day. So we're already here. We're gonna go into an active child's pose by pressing our fingertips down into the mat. You know, this is my favorite one. Activating the energy in the shoulder blades and the shoulders. Take 2 more deep breaths here. breath. And from here, down with the elbows into the mat and wiggle yourself like a little snake or worm down into the mat. Keep your hands under your shoulders, and we're gonna start with a mini cobra. So our first real big asana here. And don't force it, just stay here and you're gonna feel where the energy is in your upper back, in your lower back. Is there any stiffness going on? And exhale. Press your fingertips down into the mat. Go through your knees. Down into our first downward facing dog. And we're gonna stay here for 3 breaths. One more. Bending those knees and take a little walk into your hands. Come to the front of the mat. Let go. Grab hold of the elbows. Release the tension in your body. And from here, press the fingertips down into the mat and lift yourself up. Bend the knees. And let's put those elbows above our knees, pressing the palms together, opening up that chest. Inhale, round your back, and vertebra by vertebra, you're gonna bring yourself up into a standing position. Tadasana, mountain pose, and take a deep breath. Lift the arms, circle them above your head, palms together, and open and cross. Let's do that again. Circle, open and cross. One more, circle, open and cross. And this time you're gonna circle, and we're gonna go into a flat back position. You're gonna bend those knees and you're gonna release. Fingertips down, halfway. And release. Come all the way down. Sit bones to your heels. Press those palms into the mat. One leg all the way to the back. Stay here. Open that chest. Take a deep breath. Let's go. Other leg back. Hold the plank position. You can do this. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. And now, if you want, release those knees into the mat. Let go of those toes. Bring yourself a little bit forward. Open that chest. Bend the elbows. And we're gonna come all the way down into the mat. Bring yourself up, back to cobra. Maybe a little bit higher this time. Keep opening up, lifting that chest. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Come all the way down. Toes into the mat. Through the knees, up into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend the knees. One leg forward, stay here. Press yourself up on the fingertips, open that chest. Take a deep breath, bring the other leg into center. Halfway. And circle the arms all the way up. And let go, cross. Circle. Let go, cross. One more, circle. And let go, cross. Last one. We're gonna stay here, open palms, flat back. Hold it. Bend those knees. Halfway. Bend again. Sit bones down into the heels. One leg back. Stay here, up on the fingertips. Open, open, open. Hold it here, palms down into that flat plank. Hold it here. Now let's play. Shift your body weight back. Shift it forward. 2 more times. Shift it back. Shift it forward. Last one. Back. And forward. Coming back to center. Find that center. Bring the knees down. Let go of those toes. Shift your body and come down. Let's go up into Cobra. Lifting that nose up into the sky. And gentle release. Curl your toes under through the knees. Let's go into downward facing dog. Breathe. Bend the knees. Opposite leg forward. Press yourself up on the fingertips. Hold it here. Palms down. Bring the other leg in. Halfway up. Release. Circle all the way up. And open cross. In. Open cross. One more in. Open cross. Stay here in Tadasana. Open that chest. Okay, feet together. From here, we're gonna bring those palms in front of our heart. Open up the elbows. I'll keep opening up that chest. Deep breath, bend the knees, release the hands. From here, I want you to point the palms up into the sky, and we're gonna bring them up. And let's do that again. Turning a light bulb. And release. Do that again. Turn and open. Again, and let's do that one more time. Now bring your belly button into, yes, there you go, to the back of your spine. Hold it here, release, let go. Press the fingertips halfway down, up, sorry. Come all the way down. Bring the sit bones down, and we're gonna go one leg back. Come up on the fingertips, hold it here. Press the fingertips down. And let's go, plank position. And we're gonna go back for that body weight transfer. We're gonna go to the back and pressing forward and back and pressing forward. A little bit more tempo here. Back, pressing forward and back, pressing forward. Find the center. From here, bring your feet together. Release one foot, point, and bring it back down. And the other foot, and back down. Energy out through the toes, and down. You can do this, come on. And down. From here, bend those knees, come all the way down, release the toes. Bring yourself all the way down. And let's bring yourself up into that cobra, maybe a little bit higher this time. And keep breathing. Down, toes under through the knees, downward facing dog. And we're gonna take a deep breath in, bend the knees, one leg forward, hold it here up on those fingertips, bring one knee down. Now watch your alignment here, so you're not too much forward or too much back. Try to find that center position down. From the knee down to the heel, release the toe. Now bring yourself up, hold it here. You're gonna put your palms together in front of your heart. Deep breath in, and let's open those hands. Open up to Anjaneyasana. And breathe. Palms back together in front of your heart. And we're gonna twist. Come down with the elbow and open up through the chest. Hold it here. Keep opening, looking up into the sky. 2 more breaths. Last breath. And twisting back to center, palms all the way down. Bring yourself to plank pose. Now, if you can, hold this plank position and bring yourself all the way down. If you want, you can bring those knees down. It's up to you. Listen to your body. And bending down for Chaturanga Dandasana, all the way down. Bring yourself up, release those toes. Come all the way down first. Curl the toes under and bring yourself up to downward facing dog. Deep breath. Bend those knees. And one leg forward. Up on those fingertips. Open up that chest. Bring the knee down, release the toes. Again, check your alignment. Not too much forward, not too much back. Find it, fix it. And from here, open up. Let's bring the hands in front of the chest. Open up to Anjaneyasana. And breathe. Palms together. Let's go for that twist. Other side, elbow, and press down into the elbow. Open up through the chest. Keep pushing the energy out for the other elbow. Nose up into the sky. One last deep breath. On the exhale, release. Come back to center. Downward facing dog. That's gonna go directly into a plank position. Hold it here. 3, 2, 1. Chaturanga Dandasana. All the way down. And bring yourself up. Hold it. Open up the chest. Release. Come all the way down. Toes under. And downward facing dog. Deep breath. And bend those knees. And let's have some fun. Free hops all the way in. 1 and 2 and 3. Good. And from here, we're gonna stretch. Make sure to bring those feet back in together, going into halfway position. Hold it, breathe. And bend those knees, bring the arms up. See if you can come lower down this time. And press the palms in together. And from here, we're gonna do a soft back bend, very soft. Coming back to center. Palms in. And open. Hold it here, breathe. 3. 2, and last one, 1, release. And since you're standing, let's press those palms in together, create some heat between those palms. Big smile. And open those hands and put your palms over your eyes. Open up, all the way up into the sky. Open that chest. One last deep breath. Let the arms come all the way down. Lift those shoulders up. And open. 2 more. And open. Last one. And open. Have an awesome day, my friends. And I will see you hopefully soon.